Ready? 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, such a serious tragedy has occurred for the last 3 days, but no statement has come from the government so that the people are ensured that the government is doing something for them. The leader of the opposition wants to bring adjournment motion, while others say that this matter should be raised under Rule 193 and this issue should not be made political. I would like to ask whether this government is not formed on political issue, then what is the reason that such thing is being uttered when the whole country is shocked over this tragedy? Why not this government had sent the governor and chief secretary back there? The chief secretary and the governor of Kashmir are still staying at Delhi. Whether the prime minister of this country and the home minister are not responsible for it. The prime minister and the home minister had been going to Uttar Pradesh on helicopters and holding public meetings, but took no much time in asking the governor of that state and the secretary to go back. I believe that the whole fault lies with the government. Next para. The honorable member has just said here that we have told about it earlier. If the governor is not capable, then he should be replaced immediately. We are not ready to hear that this issue is being given a political color. Whatever issue is raised by the opposition, the government always say that this issue is being given political color. Does the political issue not become a national issue, and does the government not from on political issue? Next para. I request the prime minister through you to inform the house about the action taken there. The dependents of deceased have been given rupees 50,000 each. I would like to say that when these people were in opposition, they used to say that the family of deceased should be given rupees 5 lakh each. I would request the prime minister that the dependents of the deceased should be given rupees 5 lakhs each. The dead bodies should be handed over to their families. There, the bodies are being cremated. Unless dead bodies are not handed over to their families, how will they come to know that their family members has dies, or is missing. In this matter, also the government has many lapses. The government is trying to hide the whole issue. All this matter should come in public through adjournment motion. Why government is shying away from the discussion? Next para. Mr. Speaker, I would like to say that the government should admit this adjournment motion and have discussion on it. Next para. You see, we have not gone into the debate. I think the consensus of the House is that we should have a debate on that. I do not think everybody should speak at this stage. What is the stand of the government on that? Next para. Sir, this is one of the important issues where the entire House is concerned about this tragic event. I would like to make it clear that the government does not want to suppress any information so far as the action taken either by the state government or by the central government on this tragedy is concerned. Our Home Minister has gone to Jammu and also to that particular place. If weather permits and if it is clear, he will also go near to the shrine to see the condition and to see if there are some people left over. To know the actual position, we have requested him to go up to the point, either Amarnath cave. If weather permits, we requested him to go up to that point and study the whole situation and come back today itself. Next para. Sir, today I come to know that in the all party leaders meeting this issue was raised and they have come to a unanimous decision that this issue should be discussed in a threadbare, and if there are any lapses in the administration, action should be taken against the concerned people. I would like to make it very clear that there is no hesitation on the part of the government to take action against any person who has not taken appropriate action at the appropriate time. If the Home Minister comes today itself, he will give a detailed statement on the floor of the House about the entire event, and the discussion can be taken up after the Home Minister's statement. Next para. Sir, I have got some information. I do not want to give a piecemeal information. Let me be very plain. What action I have taken or what action the central government has taken, what earlier action the state government has taken. all the information I am going to give it to the house after the home minister comes back. So let the discussion be taken as per the decision taken in the all party leaders meeting. This is all what I want to submit at this state. Stop.